welcome back to another video. Today we'll be replacing bulbs and we're gonna be cleaning Mari's car with his wheels because, as you may know, here got a whip, as you see in the subtitle. But yeah, we'll be doing that. But first, we'll be returning the go-kart, and then I'll be bringing him the cleaner. You know, McGuire's not sponsored, but we'll be doing that today. And then yeah, I'll be showing you guys his car, but don't be until the end. But for that, I gotta do some timing thing, moving because of the go-kart. As you might not know from the last video, we did install a carburetor, but it didn't work out. So right now it has the old one that my brother replaced. So I didn't make a video of that, but it's already on. But we did left something, so let me show you guys. So what we did is, my brother did is replace the carburetor, but he added the intake still. So we have no issues whatsoever. The timing's still a little up, so because of the intake or air filter as you call it. But apart from that, yeah, it should do. I'm gonna just adjust it a bit more so it won't take off on me. But apart from that, we'll be all good. So as for now, I'm gonna take this go-kart back and then we'll start working on his car. But apart, yeah, let's get going. I'll see you guys over there. So, as you can see, I'm at Mari's house. He's over there. Like right there. He's just, I don't know what he's doing. Behind me on the side, there's this car, which it has the hood popped out right now. So, we have just done is replacing the headlights, slits. So, let me show you guys. So we have replaced the headlights, these ones, the bulbs, because they weren't turning on. So we have functional headlights now that work. And yes, this is an Lexus brand. So you guys will be seeing the montage in a bit. But yeah, we have to remove this part, battery, but we have to remove it again to get this part in, and then we can start. We got to first clean that part and then put everything back to normal. But apart from that, the go-kart's here as well. We have the other one over there. This one, it didn't run. It's smooth. When you accelerate full throttle, it just will make this weird noise. But it does run well. Here's the positive part. Over here is the Predator engine one. We still have to get new wrench for it. They're just here chilling right now, just in storage. But yeah. Apart from that, we're just gonna get back to work, and oh, my hair's coming off right there. But yeah, let's get back to work, and then I'll give you guys like a little time lapse. So yeah, let's go to work.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, I was struggling to get the one bulb over here, the connection over there, just to get this little one right here plugged in. It was difficult, but apart from that, we have finished here doing every single thing here. Now we just have to wash the wheels because they're dirty, and we didn't wash them as much. So here's the dirt, and yes, this is how much we have to do with my hands. I did most of the work, but yeah. So yeah, we'll be washing the wheels today, and then that'll be it. Let's do some act. So let's get to it. So apparently I cannot get this part off because how dusty it is. It's so muddy. Like here, like you can see, like that's how much I remove. just by wiping it as hard. This is all that's still there. There's just only this rim. I don't know why it's like that, but the other three are fine. It's finally clean. And it's time for this little cinemax that you guys want.
Gotta act hard in the cloud what I'm chasing. Shorty pull up, slay, Jason. Pull up and cool, swerve, racing. I keep a check, blue, face it. Low one ain't gotta hate on me. I'm on my grind, no Tony. Bitches gon' hate, they phony. And I'm a beast, pity, Bitch, you gon' bang, chitty, Gotta put on for my city, Bitch, I keep everything I think I had enough. All this money got me out. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they know I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. I think I had enough, all this money got me acting up. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they...
So there you guys go. That's the little cinemax I did. There's the car over there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinemax I did right there for you guys. Alright, first car, so there he is. Make sure to follow him. Follow him. He'll be probably posting this car soon when I upload this video. But yeah, here's his Lexus SE330. And yeah, it does need a little bit more work, but it looks okay. It looks very good right now. But yeah, apart from that, this is his car. As you guys saw in the cinematics. Here is the badge. 333. That's all I have for today. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget 100 subscribers, spicy noodle challenge. And yeah, we might do a video of this car soon, and I might do a review of my car very soon as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Pocket pussies.